Nvidia Broadcast allows you to create an immersive streaming experience by replacing your real background with a virtual one. Simply install the app, launch it, and select Virtual Background. Next, choose from the list of curated backgrounds or upload your own. The app then uses AI magic to segment you from your background, placing you in front of the virtual one, making it seem like you're actually there. It uses neural networks and machine learning to identify the edges of the objects in your scene. This allows it to replace what's behind you, making it appear as if you're sitting in front of any landscape, room, or creative background you want. Nvidia Broadcast's autoframe uses AI to perfectly frame you in your webcam feed, cropping and zooming automatically to keep you centered. How does it work? First, the app identifies you in the scene using advanced pose estimation and body segmentation technology. Then, as you move around, autoframe dynamically adjusts the crop and zoom to keep you perfectly framed. Have you ever noticed how in professional videos, the presenter almost never moves out of frame? Autoframe reproduces this polished effect seamlessly. Whether you're making YouTube videos from home, presenting on camera for a class or work meeting, or streaming gameplay, autoframe ensures you stay perfectly framed the entire time. No more manually readjusting the crop or zoom as you gesture. Autoframe does it automatically with just one click. Have you noticed visual artifacts or graininess on your webcam feed? Whether it's low light conditions, low camera quality, or poor internet connectivity, video noise can really disrupt your video calls and streams. Nvidia Broadcast's video noise removal feature can eliminate these visual distractions using AI, giving you a clean and clear video image. Here's how it works. The app analyzes your incoming webcam video frame by frame, detecting noise like grain, artifacts, and low contrast. It then applies a multitude of noise reduction techniques tailored for video, including edge-preserving smoothing filters, denoising algorithms, and enhancement filters. The combined effect is a drastically reduced video noise level. Graininess is softened, artifacts are removed, and detail is preserved, all in real time as you stream. Have you ever been on a video call and caught yourself glancing away from the camera? Nvidia Broadcast's eye contact feature uses AI to make it seem like you're always looking right at your viewer, even when your eyes wander. Here's how it works. The app tracks the position of your eyes in the video frame. When it detects that you're looking away, it digitally adjusts the position of your eyes in the output video, making it appear as if you're still looking into the lens. The effect is subtle but powerful. Instead of it seeming like you're glancing around or looking down at your notes, eye contact gives the impression that you're focused on the call and making eye contact the entire time. It greatly improves the engagement and connection you have with the person on the other end.